So we're showing this line, which is our Indian interpretation of the Western silhouettes, because on a day
Bollywood, which runs fashion industry.
no, I think Bollywood has an enormous influence. But I don't think it's a black collection called Black Magic. It's for the night. It's a cocktail collection. और इन कपड़ों को आप किसी भी तरह पहन सकते हैं. You can dress it down, you can dress it up, you can wear it from a funeral to a reception. I mean, they're cool clothes that are draped with Indian draping in fabrics from all over the world and beautifully cut patterns that are truly international for fit and fitting and the construction of the clothes.
Well, you have always experimented with a variety of clothes, the style you have worn. What is the new thing that you're seeing over here, maybe?
Well, you see there are a lot more drapes और कई नए तरह के fabrics हैं which we experimented with, and the accessories are beautiful, the bags, the shoes. I think it's the first time we've really done a complete look without being forced to compromise. कभी यहाँ के जूते नहीं काम करते या this या that. This is a perfect look for the modern Indian woman, and the styling's a bit tribal to connect India modern to the past.
तरुण, आपने कहा कि ब्लैक मैजिक आप पेश कर रहे हैं. क्या खास है ब्लैक कलर में कि हर कोई ब्लैक कलर की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो?
Well, मैंने बहुत सालों से ब्लैक नहीं किया है, तो बहुत साल के बाद मैं कर रहा हूँ. I've been known as drapes and color, but this time, you know, it's a fantastic new variation of black, and you can see textures in there, influences from Kathiawadi costume and influences from dhotis, but in jersey and slinky fabrics. It's from modern India.
ओके, तरुण ये बताइए कि जो फैशन इंडस्ट्री है और बॉलीवुड दोनों साथ साथ पैरेलल ग्रो कर रहे हैं.
Well, I think Bollywood's way ahead of the curve in India than fashion industry. Wouldn't you say?
So,
who's most stylish in Bollywood? आपको क्या लगता है?
I always have a policy not to comment or single out people. It's not my role to do that. Okay, now I have to resume. Thanks. But I will talk after the show. You see.